think I've given myself a challenge. I'm going to try to get this whole downstairs done in less than a month's time.
Welcome to the Rundown Reborn channel.
Well, I think that is the end of day 3. It's so nice outside right now. A little noisy. Trains, cars, maybe a jackhammer. I don't know. There's always something going on around here. I'm almost out of water. I need to run to the store tonight. I've been doing a lot of sanding today, sanding the old trims that I put up 2 days ago on day 1. Go ahead and check out day 1. It has a little bit more information about what I was doing with those wood trims. I got those wood trims up, get that sanding done, get caulk on all that wood, and there's not much left in that room. If time allows, I may work into the evening and go ahead and get that drywall sanded up as well. That way everything's pretty much ready for paint. The only thing I have left in that dining room is to get that ceiling touched up and get that door installed that goes into the master bedroom. I should be able to rock that out tomorrow and wrap that dining room, and then we'll move right on into the kitchen. In the kitchen, I've got the back side of that opening that I just trimmed in today, as well as a window I need to trim out. But to do that window, I need to get those cantilevered shelves figured out. So there's a lot to do in there. I'm gonna have to pull my fridge out, get a water connection put in for that, as well as some drywall work. Not to mention, I've got a ceiling to trim out in there as well. So I expect the next 3 days or so, there's gonna be quite a bit going on. So be sure to tune in. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, I appreciate it. I thank you for watching this one. And of course, as always, we'll see you in the next one. Dogs are barking too. It is a noisy neighborhood around here. Need some water. Find my keys. Go to the store.